Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Gets Gravy. And hey guys, quick one for you today. I'm not entirely back here on YouTube yet. I am still kind of doing my dry January. 1 week down. I haven't had a beer, believe it or not. Not since the early hours of New Year's morning anyway. But as you can see, I am getting ready to brew my next beer. I think that gives the game away. Yes, I'm going to be rebrewing my Crunchy Nut IPA. So again, I just thought I would come up, just give you a little preview of my ingredients. As I said, there's the main one, the Crunchy Nut. And since I last brewed this, I have tweaked this recipe a little bit. Those of you that saw version 1 probably know that I used a kilo of pale ale malt. I think I used my risotto. This time I'm using just over a kilo of pale ale malt, 55 grams of carapils. So I'm not entirely, well, it wasn't a smash to begin with, was it? You may also remember that the last time I brewed this, I used the entire 500 grams of a Crunchy Nut box. This time I'm only going to be using about 100 grams, so it won't be as strong in the alcohol. Hopefully it won't lose much of the flavour, or much in the flavour I should say, but I'm only going to be using about 100 grams this time instead of the full 500. And of course my hops of choice, Fuggles. Now I'm wondering whether or not to do just a simple 50-50 split on the Fuggles. Do a 5 gram at the start, 5 at the finish, something like that. I don't know yet. I'll have to see how I feel, put it that way. And as always, I'll be using USO5 as my yeast. I am thinking of adding one more ingredient, although I don't know how it'll work along with the Crunchy Nut, so I might leave that out. I'll let you know if I do use it when I come to brew it. So as always guys, if you follow me over on Facebook, follow me on there. I'll pop the link to that in the description to my Facebook page, where you will see a bit more behind the scenes on this. Probably show some of the brew footage. But other than that guys, just wanted to come back, just let you know that I am part-time back, not full-time just yet. That will probably be this time next month. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy, and I'll see you later. Cheers.